Welcome to my channel. In this video, I am going to discuss about multivariate calculus. So what is multivariate calculus? In mathematics, multivariable calculus is also known as multivariate calculus. Multivariable calculus is a study of calculus in one variable to functions of multiple variables. The differentiation and integration of multivariable calculus include two or more variables rather than a single variable. Multivariable calculus is a branch of mathematics that helps us to explain the relation between input and output variables. Now we discuss how to solve multivariable calculus. If a function is dependent on multiple variables, then we can use partial derivatives to determine the derivative of a function concerning to one of those variables. The trick that we have to follow here is to keep all the variables constant. If we change all the variables and find the derivative, then it will be considered as a total derivative. So what we have discussed in this video, I recall all these concepts again. Multivariable calculus deals with the functions of multiple variables, whereas single variable calculus deals with the function of one variable. The differentiation and integration process are similar to the single variable calculus. In multivariable calculus, to find a partial derivative, first take the derivative of the appropriate variable while holding the other variables as constant. It majorly deals with three-dimensional objects or higher dimensions. The typical operations involved in the multivariable calculus are limits and continuity, partial differentiation, and multiple integration. I hope so you got this concept of multivariable calculus. Kindly subscribe my channel.